Hi, this is Sarah from Unpacking. So when you get a machine, you may wonder what you're gonna do, how you're gonna adjust, right? So here I am today creating this video to help you through the unpacking and also adjustment process of our labeling machine. So let's get started. When you get the machine, it will be packed in a solid wooden crate. So the first thing you need to do is to unpack the machine. After opening the wooden crate, you will see that it has been assembled and safely held inside. Then cut off the securing straps and remove the nails. Use a forklift to unload from the pallets and move to the place where you want to store it. There is one thing you may not notice: the height of the machine is adjustable. Simply twisting the screws to change the height when needed. So this is how it looked like after unpacking and unloading. So now let's get rid of this protective film. Since the machine has been installed assembled as a whole piece, so all you need to do now is just connect the power. After connecting the power, you need to use a voltage tester to ensure that the voltage matches the machine's requirements. If it doesn't meet the requirement or local standard, a transformer is needed in this case. Now let's walk you through some key installation and adjustment points. Firstly, you need to place the label roll on the station. Our operator is here to guide you the threading process step by step. It's important to pay attention to the threading details here. If you find it difficult to follow up, just rewind back and watch it again. When the process is completed, secure the label film with the large binder clips as shown in the video. Tighten the screws here and secure the label film in place. After the label roll is in position, tighten the guide strap to pull the label firmly. This prevents misalignment and keeps the label at the correct height. You can keep the label plate slightly loose so the label roll can rotate freely, but you need to make sure that this part has to be tightened. Secondly, adjust the bottle guardrails and pressure roller. When the width between the guardrails is too big, loosen the screws of the outer guardrail and push inward. The width should be just slightly bigger than the bottle, which allows it to pass through smoothly. Then tighten the screws. Next, adjust the pressure roller for the width of the labeling area. The bottom needs to be slightly pressed to get a firm labeling result. Adjust the pressure roller until the bottle can push through smoothly by hand, then tighten the screw. Thirdly, switch on the button and turn on the bottle feeding wheel. Then adjust the distance between two bottles. It shall be just a little bit longer than the length of one label. If the distance is too long, it will affect the production speed. While if it is too short, then you will see that some bottle failed to keep the label. Next, ensure the label cutter is 90 degrees vertically to the conveyor belt. If it is tilted, the label will be misaligned. In this case, you need to adjust and tighten the screw at the back and make sure that the label cutter is perpendicular. Following that is the bottle sensor adjustment. At this stage, you need to guarantee that the label is aligned with half of the bottle body, while the sensor shall align with the edge of the bottle cap. Next, on the PLC, set the parameter of the feeding frequency. Make sure that the pressure wheel speed which is equivalent to labeling speed, shall be faster than the label dispensing speed. Otherwise, simply switch the button below. Last but not least, label height adjustment. When you make a test and the label is not centrally aligned, then you can adjust the label height by this hand wheel. You can set the label height to be higher or lower so as to meet your requirement. This machine is customized according to a customer's requirement, so it does not come with the printer. Normally, our standard labeling machine is equipped with the printer. If you require this function, then before every production, you need to take out this small part and update the date and batch number. And put it back the same way. Let's take a look for the printing process and result. Now your labeling machine is ready for operation. If you need some more detailed support, please feel free to contact us.